What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your importing media problems in Davinci Resolve 16. And I'm making this video because I had problems with this myself, and I watched a bunch of videos on it and I narrowed it down to the best ones that actually work. So if you stick around to the end of this video, I guarantee this will help you out and be able to import media into Davinci Resolve. And let's get right into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on them post notifications, smash that like button if this helps you out, and also check out all the affiliate links below. Alright guys, so I'm here in Davinci Resolve 16, and this is July 25th, 2020, so if there could be some new versions out depending on when you're watching this video. But I'm going to show you the problem that I'm having. So you can see here I got some media already in here. But if I want to go to import media, and I want this one here, right? And I click on it, it won't show up in my media tab. So that didn't work. So I clicked on it right here and I tried to drag it and drop it. And that's not working either. So every time I do it, it's not importing. I tried all the other ways to import it possible on Davinci Resolve. You know, we went to the media tab, tried to do it here. It's not working either. And I just basically narrowed it down to why it's not working. I'm going to show you here. We're going to come back to the edit tab. Now, if I pull up my folder and look at the file here, if I hover over it, you can see it says item type MKV file, and this was recorded with OBS software. For some reason, Davinci Resolve doesn't let you import MKV files, and this could be different for whatever file you have. It might be a different kind of file, but I just found that this specific file ain't working for me. So anything that I have that's MKV won't work. Now there's a quick solution to this, so easy. I'm going to show you now. We're going to go online. You're going to want to go Google VLC Media Player. Okay, VLC Media Player download. And you just make sure it's the legit one. You just, right here, it'll have the cone. You just go to download and you just follow the steps. You click on whichever operating system you have. I have Windows. Or you just come down here, you click on one, and just follow the steps and download it. And I'm going to show you, pull that up, show you what VLC Media Player looks like. So it looks like the cone here. I open it up, and here it is right. Now, the next step you're going to have to do is you're going to click on Media tab, come all the way down to where it says Convert/Save. You're going to click on that. Next, you're going to click Add. And you're going to search for your file and click on whichever file you want. Okay, now we have this. You can also add multiple files. And what I'd recommend is if you have, say, like me, it's not working for MKV files. If I go through and look for all my MKV files, I can add them all and convert them. Okay, so now that I got it picked, I'm going to click on Convert/Save. And don't touch anything else. You just come here to Profile. And MP4 works great for Davinci Resolve. I haven't tried a lot of these other ones, but they got a ton of different profiles you can choose. And what I'm using is MP4. It's going to be the very first one. It says video H.264 plus MP3, and that's going to be MP4. So you're going to click on it. You're going to click Browse down here to find out where you want to put the file. And I just put it to my videos, so you're going to click Save. Once you click Save and it's going, you're going to see it right here. The marker is going to go through the timeline here, and then once it gets to the end, you should be able to open up your file, your folder where you decided to save it to, and it's going to be right here. Now these two are exactly the same video. Just you can see I'm going to hover over it. One's MKV, and then I change it to the MP4 file. Also, guys, this wasn't working with audio files too. Now, audio files, I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing. Just come up here to Media, convert/save, and I think you can convert it. And if it's just no video to it, I think it's going to convert. You can still convert it to MP4. I'm not positive. Don't quote me on that one, but we'll just try it out and let me know in the comments below if it worked. And if you guys are having this problem with specifically things that you were recording on OBS, I'm going to show you a little trick right here. I'm not sure if I can get into my settings while I'm on OBS because I'm actually recording this right now through OBS. But I'm going to show you what you can do so that any new videos that you make aren't going to be that MKV file. So you're going to come here to settings, and you're going to come down to output. And once you're here in output, I can't change it right now because I'm recording, but this wouldn't be gray recording format. You're going to want to just change it to MP4. MP4 is probably one of the easiest files to work with. A lot of people use MP4, and a lot of programs use MP4 and are compatible. So I highly recommend using this one. Like I said, once you switch it, definitely make sure you want to click apply. You don't want to just click OK. You click apply, and then that applies it to all your settings. And now that you have that done, you should be good to go. You should be able to record all your new videos that you record from now on are going to be MP4. Then you're not going to have this problem anymore with Davinci Resolve. And if you don't want to keep this VLC video converter, it's actually a media player, but if you don't want to keep this on your computer, you just go through your files, look at every single one, see all the MKV files, convert them, and then you can just delete this program. You don't have to have this on your computer or tablet or whatever you're using. You don't have to have this forever. Just convert them. You're good to go. And you shouldn't have any problems after that. Now we're going to go back into Davinci Resolve, and we're going to try to import media. Okay, now we're going to click on our MP4 file, and there it is. Simple as that. Now, when I first started watching these videos, guys, I was like, man, I don't want to download anything. Let me just see if there's any other way to do it. Trust me, I watched a ton of YouTube videos. This is the way to do it. If you don't want to use VLC video converter, you can use different ones. But there was, I want to say, I don't know exactly how long ago, but not too long ago, over a year maybe, there was this video converter extension, I think it was, for Google Chrome that was phishing people's information, and it was like a malware or virus and stuff like that. So I highly recommend not doing anything that's an extension on your Google Chrome or any other web browser. Don't do any extension video converters. Just do the normal program. Do this VLC right here. Just do this one. If not, YouTube, the safest ways to convert videos or something like that. Now that we got this, guys, we can drag it down and start editing our video. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, comment down below if you're having any problems. I usually read my comments at least once every 2-3 days, and I usually answer most of them. So if you got a question, shoot it below. Also, check out the channel in the About tab for the email address. If anyone's interested in partnerships or co-ops, just let me know. Shoot me an email. I'll be sure to get back to you. That about does it for importing media to Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.